Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the function 3s and we know that when s approaches to number 1, you got about positive infinity because we have the power 2 in here. If we put negative or positive number in here, they always got a positive number. But when s approaches to number 1, you got 0 in here. 1 divided by 0, you got about infinity. But the limit on the left and the limit on the right, they always about positive. That's why we have positive infinity because of the power 2 in here. Now they want to find what is the formula of f of s. We know that s approaches to number 1, you got about 0, but f of s multiplied by 3s, you got about negative infinity. In this situation, you just only one function, that's about negative s minus 1 inside the absolute value, because if we multiply f of s with 3 of s, you will have like this. That's about negative with the absolute value of s minus 1 over s minus 1 to the power of 2. So when s approaches to number 1, let's say I will go to s approach to number 1 on the right. This is about negative. So this one divided by this one, you got about 1 over s minus 1. But we have the negative side, and 1 minus 1, you got about 0. So they will go to negative infinity. Now when s go to 1 in the negative side in here, in this situation, this one you got about positive, this one you got about positive, but we have the negative side in here, and s approach to number 1, 1 minus 1, you got about 0 in here. They will go to infinity. So this one you will have negative infinity in here. So the answer, that's about this one in here. Because s approach to number 1, we put number 1 in here, you got about 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.